I know that you have a lot of oil. You're the largest uranium producer in the world. You have the largest city is Almaty. You have a lot of beautiful mountains.
It's near Iraq and Iran. I don't know actually. I don't know actually. I'm sorry, I can't think of three things.
Okay, the three things that I know about Kazakhstan. The first one is that I knew in the Olympics that they are really good in boxing, like the champions in this area. What else? Once I tried chocolates from Kazakhstan and it was really, really delicious. And the third one is that the friends that I knew here in Brunel from Kazakhstan, they are really nice with me, really good people. Thank you.
Near to China, and people were friendly, and it's in the the food is very similar with Russia. Yeah, thank you.
It's in Asia. It's near to Russia.
Three things that I know about Kazakhstan. That's difficult. I don't really know that many things about Kazakhstan. I know, like, could it be like my personal opinion?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just what you have on your mind
That
when
you
you're...
speak Russian.
Yeah.
That you were part of the Soviet Union, and that you are a very interesting mixture of Russian and like Mongol, not race, but yeah, you look kind of Asian, but you're still Russian and stuff like this, yeah, the European race.
Kazakhstan, it's a country. It's got, I don't know what colour the flag is, I don't know. It's in the Middle East, and I'm terrible at it. And it's got a blue flag.
It used to be part of the USSR. It's got a blue and yellow flag.
It's a country. It's got a capital in the desert. Country, and it's got a blue and yellow flag. It's a country. It's got a blue, yellowish flag, and there was an Olympic champion in the London 2012 cycling. Yeah.
It's a country, and I think it's one of the countries that has the most border without sea. It's like one of the largest ones, I think, but I could be wrong. And they compete in the Olympics.
Саламатсызбы. Наурыз құтты болсын. Рахмет. Күшті.